新闻头起先来看这美国的总统大选 ，Trump 是又搁一届当选入主白宫，这也代表讲伊牵涉在内4件刑事官司，基本上就是到这为止。上起码伫咧伊做总统的这4年未去上班。也若是讲到未来这4年 ，Trump 是会安怎治国？美国媒体是预测 ，Trump 的内政甲外交的政策拢会有大改变。亲像伊伫咧竞选的时阵，伊就讲伊有能力伫咧24点钟内结束罗西亚甲乌克兰的战争，而且佮放调要甲这中国的产品扣档税。另外，伫咧处理移民的问题手段，可能是会比头一任佮较硬。亲像伊昨的胜选演讲就随讲要封锁边境。
伫咧佛罗里达州，西总路摊发表胜选的感言。78岁共和党总统候选人川普连任失败了，搁再一遍选总统，第2遍选掉。美国媒体《纽约时报》根据川普进前的一寡谈话，有指伊搁做总统了，所有的内政甲外交会有正大的改变。
So we have a very good relationship, and I also have a very good relationship, as you know, with President Putin. And I think if we win, I think we're going to get it resolved very quickly. I really think we're going to get it resolved.
川普伫咧竞选时阵，捌讲又在调伫24点钟久内就结束俄乌战争，不过伊并无讲要安怎做。川普说落来要安怎回应俄乌战争，可能会替伊的外交舰队定一个基调。另外一个共款伫战争的中东，川普对以色列的政策可能袂针对加沙人道主义提出任何附加条件。也可能互纳坦雅胡伫面对伊朗时阵更较自由。川普伫咧竞选时阵也阁主张对中国采取强硬立场，暗示讲将会大幅度提悬中国商品的关税。这项政策也可能会影响来自欧洲的商品。
This is not a good result for Europe. Europeans are deeply concerned. They're phenomenally worried. This is at a time of low competitiveness across European economies when they don't want to be on the receiving end of a very tough and singular American line that pushes tariffs, that pushes them to cooperate on very strict agenda when it comes to China.
伊若伫内政方面，川普对移民打击的力量可能比第1任期时阵更较强，并且将会支持司法部起诉现任总统拜登一家伙仔，也阁扩张总统的职权，甲一寡独立机关纳入总统的管辖。严格分析师认为，川普第一个要面对的也是经济的问题。
Donald Trump won because he tapped into a lot of fear of the future and a great deal of dissatisfaction with the status quo, much more so than the average person thought or expected. The dissatisfaction really was centered less on immigration and more on inflation, as it turns out.
另外，有气候专家讲，川普执政国加上共和党提回参议院了，可能会取消真侪减少温室气体排放的气候政策。川普团队已经讲，美国将会再一遍退出巴黎协议，并且会大力支持石化业的发展，同时也会撤销大部分拜登政府时期对抗气候变迁的做法。公司新闻张伟林编译。